A packed house in San Francisco's Mission District. People calling on local leaders to do more to get drugs off the streets and people into treatment. Jackie Berlin's son is battling addiction to fentanyl. Jackie's been calling for a crackdown on the open-air drug market and easier access to treatment for years.
The more people that come alongside us and start to say the same things and see the same things, the stronger we will be together.
Supervisor Matt Dorsey candid about his own struggle with addiction, the crisis, the reason he ran for office. Prior to that, he was with the SFPD.
I spent 2 years in the police department, month after month, previewing the monthly report on drug overdose deaths. And month after month, I looked at a number knowing that I'm one bad decision away from being in that number.
And the chief medical examiner's most recent reports show there's no sign of it slowing down. More than 130 people died of a drug overdose in January and February combined, according to preliminary numbers. Last year, just over 100 people died of an overdose in the first 2 months, and the year before that, 135. And in each of those years, nearly 650 people died of a drug overdose, a number that could be exceeded if this year's pace keeps up.
My sense is that the community has had enough of excuses, and they want answers about what we're doing.
Mayor London Breed recently asking the federal government for more help getting drug dealers off the streets. And the city is considering establishing safe consumption sites. These are places people can go to use their drugs under supervision in case of an overdose.
What we need to do now is to really sort of focus in on making sure that people are staying alive. Overdose prevention sites are what we're talking about there. Making sure that people have linkage to care, which includes health care, treatment.
To me, it's actually encouraging that we have a couple hundred people here. I think this is a good sign. I think this means we can make progress.